So why did the chicken cross the road to get to the bag? Did the chicken cross the road? Oh, I'm sorry, the chicken died. He got crushed by a car. I'm sorry. Condolences. But anyway, guys, I know you're here to get to the bag because I found a app. I always say an app. I don't know what's wrong with me. So I found another survey app where I guess some of you guys don't really like that. But or did you not say find you new ways to make money? I'm trying to do it. I know you're my family and I love you guys. So anyway, we're going to get straight into it. I'm not going to itch and I'm not going to ponder. I'm not going to scheme. I'm not going to squander. But anyway, this is basically it's a swag box. The swag box or backs or shit or crap. Okay, sorry about that. Guys, this is basically an app where you guys can earn some money, earn some points with them box and do things like take over the world. I'm just kidding. You guys, you know you can't take over the world with this and that. This is just a basic I'm always trying to say app. I don't know why. This is a basic website where you can basically earn some extra dollars because they have $20 cash out, they have $25 cash out, and the numbers go up. So when you reach like 1,000 B-Buck, swag buck or C buck or duck, when you reach that, you end up earning. So this is the points for the day. So this is the goal, the bonus. So I've already done 3 survey. I'm at $20. So you have to choose the higher amount of surveys because they have like $200. They got a lot of surveys that you can do to complete. If you're in different countries, you can basically complete a different amount of survey. Like if you're in the US, if you're in the United Kingdoms, if you're in Canada, you can earn some dollars with this. It's just a side hustle. You take it as a side hustle because it's not like you're going to the gym, you're not working out, you're just moving your fingers. And I don't want to waste your time, and I'm sure you guys not wasting my time because you're here watching me, not wasting any time, showing you guys something that can help you guys. So basically, this is a survey. You refer friend, you get 10%. In seconds, you get 10%. Take this survey, or else we will survive. So I'm getting hyped, guys, because I think we are going to a point where we can definitely be victorious as a team, and we're searching for the glorious point that you guys are being searching for, and we're not giving up. We're not giving up because we are invincible. We're like Batman or Superman. But which one of them is more invisible? I guess the one who's trying to get to the bag. Or is he trying to get to the bag? I'm not like Superman. I don't have a weakness. We're trying to find means and ways to make money, and you guys are my friends. And we're going to stop anyone that's trying to stop us from making money. So, is it that guy at your window looking at you? Is he trying to stop you? No, he's not trying to stop you. We're just going to make some money by completing some surveys and completing some offers because you guys are my friends and I want you to make this bag. Yeah, 10% off, 2%, swag bag. So they got all kinds of Amazon. They got outside a website where you can complete survey, and I guess this is a partner program, guys. This is basically partner program, guys. And I'm going to try my best to put in my time and my energy. So we're searching right now to search withdraw, and we're not getting anything up. But don't worry, this app works. I'm saying app again. This website works like a charm. I've tested it out just to prove it and see what is what. You guys are the only one that did not check it out. But you guys, we're going to do something amazing today, and I don't know. Where's my keys? Where's my keys? I'm looking. Oh, I'm sorry, guys. I'm get back to what we are talking about. So it's basically a website, guys, where you can earn points and get money. I think. Why did the duck ask the chicken for breakfast? Why did duck ask chicken for breakfast? The chicken can. What are you talking about, man? Man, ease off. We're just Charlie, ease. We're just talking here. So guys, get back to the survey app and we can get back to some money making. So it's a poll. So answer today poll 1SB. So that's a little bit much. And guys, do what you must. Thank you for watching and leave a like.